Hi, to use the No Disturb mode in Control Center on your iPad 10's generation, firstly, we would need to swipe down from the upper right corner to trigger the Control Center. Let's do it one more time, and this is the Control Center. So here, just take a look at this Focus tab. You'll need to tap it like that, and you will see the No Disturb mode. So if you want to silence all of your notifications and alerts, you'll need to tap this section. So it will light up white and you'll see this status on. And now you can tap on any free space on the screen and you should see this moon icon near your battery percentage, meaning that the Not Disturb mode is enabled right now. You can just tap on any free space on the screen again and just simply use your iPad but with silence notifications. So to disable this mode, go back in the Control Center and now you can tap this section again or you can press and hold it. Here find Do Not Disturb mode and tap on it so it will become gray like other features. And now moon icon is gone and we just disabled Do Not Disturb mode. If you want to change its settings, you would need to go back in the focus. And now near Do Not Disturb, you can see those three dots, just tap on them. And here you can select the amount of time for this mode for 1 hour or until this evening. And also we got here settings. So let's open settings. And now we can customize this mode. So first thing we can do is to allow notifications from particular people or apps. You can go in people and here choose either silence notifications from this people or allow. So just tap add people, select a contact from your contact list. You can choose not one but more and then tap the turn button and now notifications will be allowed from those people. You can remove it here just by tapping this minus. Also, you can allow calls from your favorites, allowed people only, everybody and contacts only, and enable this allow repeated calls. So a second call from the same person within 3 minutes will not be silenced. This is a cool feature. Now let's go back and we can do the same for the apps. But for now, let's switch from allow to silence notifications from, and let's add some apps as Messages, Telegram, and let's add YouTube. Now tap done button to save those changes. And now notifications from these apps will be silenced. You can remove them by tapping minus as I said before. Also, you can enable here time-sensitive notifications. So you can allow apps that are silenced to send notifications marked as time-sensitive immediately. Just tap here to enable this feature and use this back arrow to go back. After that, we can also customize screens for this mode enabled. So we got here lock and home screens. Let's choose lock screen first and we can select another wallpaper when this mode will be enabled. Let's select this one, tap done button and do the same for the home screen. So here we can choose from the pages like that. Let's select this one and tap done. And this is how it will look for this mode turned on. After that, we can set a schedule. So here I already got this schedule. I can enable it immediately or we can create new one by tapping add schedule. Here choose time, so select your start point and end point and days repeated. So here you can disable some of the days like that and then go back, and also you can choose location and apps and also just tap here to enable smart activation. And also we got here focus filters. So these filters help you remove distractions from apps when the focus is on. And you can tap add filters. Let's go back in the settings and tap add filter. And here we can select something from the list. For example, dark mode. Here we can choose dark and add it here. And now let's simply close settings, go back in the control center and turn on this do not disturb mode again. So here I'm gonna tap on it to turn it on like that. And now you can see that dark mode is enabled, and also we got new wallpapers. And also if we lock our screen, we'll see new wallpaper on the lock screen as well. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment, and I wish you all the best. Bye bye.